Mayong buntag Bohol o sa itong mga kaigsuunang bulanon sa tibok kalibutan. Ani akita diri karon sa Baclayon Parish Papal Hall para sa launching sa atong PagPaKaBuhi project.
The volunteers came from all over. No? Ang atong mga volunteers wa tay gipili. We are a non-political group. We are non-religious. No? We do not look for your qualifications, scholastic qualifications. Duha ra gyud may mga tanan ko do unsa may gikinahanglan, unsa may requirement para mahimo kong volunteer. Ang amo ra jud ingon, it has to be from a true spirit of volunteerism kanang gikan gyud sa imong kaugalingon nga nitanyag ka. Unya, once you volunteer, you have to give it your full commitment.
Nagahatag sa akong kaugalingon sa pag-amuma o pag-amping para sa mabulokong kinabuhi sa atong mga katauhan.
I think this is something that we all need to do. This is what I'm trying to demand. This is ang pamahalaga sa support, talaga ng imo mga responsibilidad, kung para pang imo responsibilidad na ay mga makandoy na ipagpapalong sa harap at ekonomiya, na ay mga problema sa kawalan ng para sa mga nakalisod ng mga kaisunan. Isa sa pa. The governor must step up to reflect, to think, to pray, to learn, to see who needs some special attention, special pagtagad. Governance is not the job of the governor alone. Governance is a responsibility of all of us to run our province. And that's the reason why I come here, because I want to thank you and I want to give you this support. If there are volunteers like you, the job of the provincial government becomes easier because what we now have to do is to set up the system that can reach our problems. The most important value of this morning's event is that we are saying we may not be able to stop all these influences, but we are here. We are here as one united Bulacan community. We are here. And we hear you. We hear you. And we are willing to give you that attention.
PagPaKaBuhi is a group of volunteers from different sectors, from different fields of expertise. Doon natin mga physicians, psychologists, doon natin mga philosophers, teachers, everything. We also have carpenters, we have laborers. All of these people came together and formed this PagPaKaBuhi. PagPaKaBuhi stands for Paghatag ug Pagtagad sa Kabililhon sa Kinabuhi. The basic aim, vision, mission, and goal of this organization is to promote mental health. Aware me sa among wounded nature, but we are trying our best that we can help, not just for Baclayon, but in the entire province of Bohol in promoting such goals. As I said, mental health and suicide prevention. This is very alarming. Nga naman, considering that our province is a Christian, a Catholic province, 90% plus of the Boholanos are Catholic, Roman Catholic. Despite of this, we have this moral problem, kining paghunos sa kinabuhi. One, they need to pray. Two, we need to strengthen the family. That youth nowadays, especially those who are hooked with social media, we have to be very careful with this. When problem arise, please, may I beg the youth to tell the parents yun. Kinahanglan nga atong isolidify yun ang family, kay dinhi manggod ang uyukan sa kaligun sa atong katilingban. It's the basic unit of society, the family. So young people, do not problema, whatever. The family is a shelter. Kinahanglan gyud. Thank you.
We want very much to partner with the government first and foremost kay ato ning gitukod not to compete with government efforts but rather to complement, no? Because ang government can only do so much kung ang community di pod molihok. So this is what we are trying to do. So we want to partner with the government, other NGOs who are into mental health, and hopefully ODAs So like I said, ma-institutionalize ni pohon, sayo na pohon po ang pag-partner. Happy kayo ko, no? Actually, sa kabisi ni Gov, unya Sunday pag yun ron, I was just half expecting nga siya yun mo ani personally, no? Kay Domingo, busy as a governor. I've been with the provincial government, so kay ba ako sa challenges sa usa ka governor, but yet ning anhi gyud siya. So that's saying more than some words kay yang gipanglitok ganiha. His physical presence is saying is supporting. Naningingon gyud siya nako nga mo support siya. So happy kay ko nga ni si Gov and manifested his support personally.